Hello Tenerife fans, we're in Las Americas tonight and I'm just walking along up towards Harry's Bar and the Safari Centre with the dancing fountains. Give me a comment below, have you been in Harry's Bar? Lovely place, got a nice wee cocktail in there. There is no €1 pints in Harry's Bar, I can tell you that. Give me a comment if you like it. Volume's going to go up in a second guys for the fountains. If you're new to the channel and you like Tenerife videos, hit the subscribe button below the video. It's absolutely free. You'll be notified when I upload new videos. Hit the like button as well.